Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this pattern. What we have to do, we are going to start by make a slip knot and then some chain. For this pattern we need to have odd number, and then after you make some chain based on your size you want, you are going to make one double crochet in each chain. In this case I'm going to insert the hook in the first one because this three chain consider as one, and then continue to make one double crochet in each chain. This is considered as a setup row. For the pattern we need to repeat 2 rows and fast and easy to knit. Just let me finish the row to show you what to do. As I told you, I need to have odd numbers, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I have to make one more, 13. Like that. For the next row I'm going to chain 3, return the work. This one considered as a edge. The pattern start here. We are going to take one in the hook, and then in this stitch you have to insert the hook here and grab the yarn twice, 1 and 2. When you have it 2 times, you are going to make this together. Now you have 2 loops, then make these 2 loops together. For the next stitch you have to do back post double crochet. It means that insert the hook at the back side here in this stitch and then just make 1 double crochet. We repeat the pattern again for the next stitches by grab the yarn twice, 1, 2, then knit all together. When you have 2 loops, just make it equal. As you can see here, the pattern should look like that. We are going to repeat the pattern until the end of the row by make 1 in front and 1 at the back. So 1, 2, 1, 2, now I have only 2 stitches left. I'm going to do the front side like that. When it comes to the last part, as an edge, I'm going to insert the hook on the chain and then make 1 double crochet. As you can see here, the first row, it should be like that. For the next row, we are going to chain 3, return the work. When it comes to that part, I'm going to skip this one consider as that one. They are coming in that part. Insert the hook and make 2 double crochet in the same stitch like that. Again I skip one. In the next one I make 2 double crochet. Again skip that one, make 2 until the end of the row. But you have to be careful. In this row you have to have exactly the same number like row 1, so it means I have to have 13. Here I'm going to insert the hook on the top of chain to make it as a edge. For next row I'm going to chain 3, return the work. As you can see here, when it comes to that part I'm going to repeat the pattern by grab the yarn twice. Then the next one I'm going to make it back post double crochet, repeat again by grab the yarn twice and make 1 back post crochet. As you can see here, the new pattern is exactly on the top of the previous one, like that. Let me finish this row for you to show how it looks like. And the pattern exactly like that. You have to repeat these 2 rows until you reach your desired length. As I told you, this pattern is really fast and easy to make, and it can be used for any kind of project like scarf, hat, baby blanket, or whatever you like. 1, 2, and the last one as a edge, like that. As you can see here, the pattern looks like that. This is front side and this is the back side. If you keep continue these 2 rows, after few rows, you are going to have the pattern like that. That's all. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.